there, I'm baby Jazzmin Garcia from STEM 12 St. Priscilla, and I'm here to present my cell city analogy, which is the Disneyland.
So this is my cell city analogy.
First is the cell membrane, which is related to the gate of the Disney World. The function of a cell membrane is to protect the cell. It only allows certain things to enter the cell while keeping others out. Just like the gates to the Disney World. When passing the gates and security check, one can only take certain non-harmful things into the park to make sure that everyone can enjoy their stays at the happiest place on earth. Up next is the cytoplasm, which is the Disney staff. The cytoplasm is responsible for giving the cell its shape and keeps the organelle in their place, just like the Disney staff, who is responsible for keeping the park going and all the attractions. Without the help of the cytoplasm and the Disney staff, the organelles and the visitors will be all over the place. Next is the mitochondria, which is a control room of Disney World. The mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. It takes in the nutrients from the cell, breaks them down, and turns them into energy. The Disney control room do almost the same thing, except for the power and energy provides for the parade shows and attractions. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum, which is the monorail. Endoplasmic reticulum is the network of membranous tubules that transport the materials needed by the cell, just like the monorail, which transports the visitor from one part to the other. Next is the nucleus, which is the Disney castle. The nucleus is known as the brain of the cell. It controls and regulates the activities of the cell, just like Disney castle, that is responsible for the whole park. Next, we have ribosomes. The ribosomes can be compared to the Disney characters. Ribosomes are involved in the production of proteins, a process called protein synthesis. Just like the Disney characters, create happiness and peer us with it, so we can keep enjoying the Disney World. Up next, we have the lysosomes. The lysosomes are like the maintenance workers. A lysosome has three main functions: the breakdown digestion of macromolecules such as carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Cell membrane refers and responds against foreign substances such as bacteria, viruses, and other antigens. Just like the maintenance workers who are in charge of keeping the park clean and repairing any damage. Next is vacuole, which is similar to the storage warehouse. A vacuole is used to store food, water, and nutrients that a cell can use whenever it's needed, in comparison to the warehouses in Disney World, where it stores all the supplies, costumes, and floats that the park can use whenever it's needed. And lastly is the Golgi apparatus, which is the Disneyland store. A Golgi body, also known as a Golgi apparatus, is a cell organelle that helps process and package proteins and lipid molecules, especially proteins destined to be exported from the cell. Just like the Disneyland store, where visitors can purchase souvenirs.